Hey guys, Be Twice here. Today is Friday, June 25th. Just wanted to do an update on Tesla and Amazon real quick, just because I think there is some good buy points on both of these. Um, so if you see my previous videos, obviously we were watching this triangle and the triangle breakout, and we saw it rally up to the 660 range, which I had been expecting for a few weeks, and then I'd been talking about how once we hit the 660 range, which we went significantly higher, we got up to 700. Once we hit this range, then it's buyers or sellers here, right? The bears want to see a major reversal at this downtrend line, taking us down to the 425 range, while the bulls are like, nope, this thing's going to pop above the downtrend line. We're going to hit 720. Um, we'll pull back a little bit, and ultimately we're going to be going to the 800s at the very least. Um, so based on all the price action we've seen, I'm actually favoring the bull count. So I think dips are a buy here. What I'm seeing, and this is what I started talking about when I saw this wedge breakout or the triangle breakout, was that I was starting to favor the bull side because of all the strength we were seeing. I've got a one, a two, and then we've got a one, two. We've popped up for our wave three, which we peaked here yesterday, and now we're on a three wave move down for four. So we're probably going to see a little bit more downside. Um, if not finishing up today, maybe Monday. It may even get us back to the 660 range. I think we're going to bottom there, and that's going to be our wave four. Um, I think we're going to pull down. We pulled down for an A. We popped up for a B. We're pulling down for our C right now. And then what I think is going to happen is in this range, we're going to pop up to the 720. From there, we'll pull back a little bit, and then we'll be heading up to 800. So I do think Tesla dips are a buy. I do think 800 is on the horizon, but just be mindful that there is definitely the possibility that if the market takes a huge dump, that we take a downturn and we head to this 425 range. So be smart about your positions and your stop losses, but I do think we're going towards the 800 range. All right, so let's check out Amazon. Amazon also looks prime for buying right now. I did a video on Amazon the other day, and how I was saying that I thought it was a buy. Obviously, there was some news about the union stuff yesterday, made it dump, and I think that this was an absolute blessing because we're in wave three, this yellow wave three. We popped up for a one, we pulled back for a two, and we were in this wave three. So we've topped for wave three, and we're pulling back for wave four. So what we can kind of see here is you can already see a three-way move, right? So one, two, three. So you've got an A, B, C. So this could be bottom here. So dips are a buy. I mean, you could buy this right now. We could still go a little lower if we end up having a seven swing. We could end up going one, two, three, and then up, and then another three down. It's going to be valid as long as it stays above this 333.08 spot. So any buy above that level is great. I mean, if we could get all the way down to 33.20 or something like that and still be able to buy, that'd be huge. Because ultimately, I do see us going to this 4,000 window at some point in the near future. I just think Amazon is completely undervalued at these levels, and so anywhere in this box, I will be buying. Right now, we're technically at that 38.2% retracement, so we may not go too much lower. Obviously, we've been holding these moving averages and this fib retracement line pretty well today. So let's see what happens. But we could see a little bit more downside early next week. But ultimately, I do see us getting a pretty big pop. So dips on this name are definitely a buy. All right, guys, if you like these videos, go ahead and hit like and subscribe.